You have a humidifier and are looking for the right filter? We can help you. Because, let's be honest, a humidifier without a suitable filter is like a coffee machine without coffee. But before we answer the important question of which filter to choose, you first need to find out which system your humidifier uses to humidify the air. Is it an ultrasonic nebulizer, a vaporizer or an evaporator? For the evaporator, you need a filter. However, for the other two, you don't need a filter. But please note that ultrasonic nebulizers require an anti-calc cartridge if the water contains limescale. Hello, I'm Joanna and today I'm going to show you which is the right filter for your humidifier. Do you own a humidifier from the Oscar, Karl or Noah family from Stadler Farm? Then this humidifier filter is the right one for you. The filter consists of ecological material and is made from plant and textile fibers. The material remains hygienic thanks to an antibacterial treatment. For optimum humidification, you should replace the filter every 2 to 3 months. If the water is very hard, this may be necessary sooner. Basically, the larger the device, the higher the humidification performance and the more filters you need. For your Oscar Little, you need 1 humidifier filter. For his big brother Oscar, you need 2, and for Oscar Big, you need 4 filters. You need 2 filters for your Karl and your Noah. For Karl Big and Noah Pro, the very powerful ones, 4 filters are used in each case. When you purchase a humidifier, you will receive the product including the appropriate number of filters for the device. So that you don't have to think about the humidifier filters every few months, you can order a 4, 8 or even 16 pack of humidifier filters. And the best part, you will save money too. Now you know the right filter for your humidifier. If you have any questions or would like more advice, please feel free to contact our Stadler Farm customer service. Bye! See you next time!